Hello everyone! Welcome back to English Learning Channel, where we make English simple and enjoyable. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Hey, Sarah. Hey, everyone out there. It's so great to see you all again.
We're really excited today because we're going to talk about our weekends, and I know you all love weekend stories.
Absolutely. But first, friends, we need your help. If you're enjoying this conversation, please hit that like button. It really supports us.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe to English Learning Channel. When you subscribe, you never miss our new lessons.
And here's something important. Share this with someone who wants to improve their English. Maybe your classmate, your colleague, or your cousin.
Sharing is learning together. Okay, Mike, I'm so curious. Tell me about your weekend. What happened?
Well, Saturday was absolutely fantastic. I woke up around 7 a.m., not too early, not too late.
7 a.m. on Saturday? Mike, you're so disciplined. I usually wake up at 10.
Everyone is different. I made myself a strong cup of coffee, and then I did something I really love.
Oh, what did you do?
I went running in the park. The weather was perfect, sunny but not hot. I ran for about 45 minutes.
That's impressive. I don't like running. It makes me very tired. Did you see anything interesting?
Yes, I saw many people. Some were walking their dogs. There was one very big dog. I think it was a German Shepherd. And I saw some children learning to ride bicycles.
Oh, that's so sweet. Children on bicycles always make me smile.
Me too. After running, I was super hungry. I went to a cafe near the park. I ordered pancakes with maple syrup and fresh strawberries.
Mike, you're making me hungry. That sounds delicious.
It was amazing. And the best part, I sat outside. I watched people walking by, and I just enjoyed the morning. It felt very relaxing.
That sounds like a perfect Saturday morning. What about the afternoon?
The afternoon was different. I decided to be creative. I went home and I started learning guitar.
Guitar? That's new. Are you a beginner?
Completely. I just bought a guitar last week. My fingers hurt a lot, but I'm very motivated.
What song are you trying to learn?
I'm starting with very simple songs. Right now, I'm practicing basic chords, C, G, D, and A minor. It's hard but fun.
I really admire you, Mike. Learning an instrument takes patience. How long did you practice?
About 2 hours. And my fingers said, stop, enough. So I stopped.
Smart choice. What about you in the evening?
In the evening, I called my sister. She lives in another city. We talked on video call for almost 1 hour. We talked about our parents, our jobs, and we just laughed a lot.
Family time is so precious, even on video call.
Exactly. Okay, Sarah, now I want to hear about your Saturday. What did you do?
My Saturday was very different from yours. I am not a morning person, so I woke up late, around 10:30.
Ha, I knew it.
I know. I love sleeping. After I woke up, I made a simple breakfast, just toast with peanut butter and a banana.
Quick and easy. I like it.
Then I did something really fun. I went shopping with my best friend Lisa.
Shopping. Where did you go?
We went to the big shopping mall in the city center. We looked at clothes, shoes, and bags. We didn't buy many things, but it was fun to look.
Sometimes looking is more fun than buying.
True. I only bought one thing, a beautiful green scarf. It's perfect for spring.
Nice. What did you do after shopping?
We were very hungry, so we went to a Thai restaurant. I ordered pad thai with chicken. Lisa ordered green curry with rice.
Oh, I love Thai food. Was it spicy?
Very spicy. My mouth was on fire, but it was so good. We also ordered mango sticky rice for dessert.
That's my favorite Thai dessert.
Mine too. After lunch, we walked around the city. We took some photos near the old bridge. The weather was beautiful.
That sounds like a wonderful afternoon. And the evening?
In the evening, I went home and I watched a movie. I watched a comedy. I can't remember the name, but it was very funny. I laughed so much.
Laughter's the best medicine.
So, Mike, what about Sunday? What did you do?
Sunday was more relaxed. In the morning, I went to church with my family.
Oh, you go to church every Sunday?
Yes, almost every Sunday. It's very important to me. I'm a Christian, and going to church helps me feel peaceful.
That's beautiful. What do you do at church?
We sing worship songs together. The music is always uplifting. Then our pastor gives a sermon. That's like a speech about the Bible and about life.
Do you go with friends or family?
Both. My parents come with me, and many of my friends are there too. After the service, we usually talk for 30 minutes. We drink coffee and we share how our week was.
That sounds like a nice community.
It really is. For me, Jesus is my Savior. Knowing that gives me strength for the whole week. Even when I have problems, I know I'm not alone.
Thank you for sharing that, Mike. It's nice to hear what's important to you.
You're welcome. Okay, Sarah, now I want to hear about your Sunday. What did you do?
My Sunday was very different from yours. My Sunday was all about food and family.
I like this already.
I went to my parents' house in the afternoon. My mom is an incredible cook.
What did she make?
She made roast chicken with potatoes, carrots, and gravy. Everything was homemade. The smell in the kitchen was amazing.
That sounds like heaven. Did you help cook?
A little. I helped cut the vegetables, but my mom does most of the work. She loves cooking for the family.
Mothers are special like that.
They are. We ate together. Me, my parents, and my younger brother. We talked about everything. We laughed. My dad told some very funny stories from his work.
Family dinner is so important. We forget that sometimes.
Exactly. After dinner, I helped my mom wash the dishes. Then we all sat in the living room and played a board game.
What game?
Scrabble. It's a word game. My brother won. He's very good with words.
That's a great game for learning English, too.
Yes, I stayed until evening and then I went home. I felt so happy and full of food and full of love.
That's a perfect way to end the weekend.
So, Mike, we both had very different weekends, but we both enjoyed them.
That's right. I had exercise, music, and church. You had shopping, food, and family time.
And that's the wonderful thing about weekends. You can choose what makes you happy.
Exactly. Okay, friends, let's remember what we talked about today. We discussed weekend activities, running, shopping, eating good food.
We talked about hobbies, like Mike is learning guitar and I love watching movies.
We talked about spending time with people we love, friends, family, and church community.
And we used lots of past tense verbs. Did you notice? I went, I ate, I watched, I talked.
Great observation, Sarah. Now, dear listeners, we want to hear from you.
Yes, please write in the comments, what did you do last weekend? Where did you go? Who did you see?
Did you cook something? Did you learn something new? Did you visit someone special?
Don't be shy. Write in English. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. Mistakes help us learn.
Absolutely. And if you enjoyed today's conversation, please share it with one person, just one.
And click the like button and subscribe to English Learning channel if you haven't already.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today. You're doing an amazing job with your English.
Keep practicing. We believe in you.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Have a wonderful week.